All right, we're out here in Salem at Frontline Eurosports for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. We got a ton of different bikes out here, so many different styles of riders, and they all look amazing. Let's take a look. All right. We got Honda Sport bikes, a Speed Twin 1200 RS, a beautiful Royal Enfield Interceptor. Look at that. Of course, we got tons of Bonnevilles out today. Very pretty Trident. I rode with them last year. Sounds amazing. BMW F900. Another BMW R12 9T. Really like that dark green paint. Looks really clean. All right. Let's go over here. We got more. I really like the color on this Triumph. Look at this thing. Just that burnt orange color. We got a Ducati Monster. Look at that, so much going on out there. Royal Enfield Himalayan or Himalayan. Feel free to argue which way to pronounce it. Look at that thing. Love it. BMW GS, big bike. And we got a smaller GS. Great bikes. What do we got here? Speedmaster. That is clean. Another Royal Enfield. I really want to get a Royal Enfield one day. Honda CB1100 inline 4-cylinder. This thing can get up and go when it wants to. Kawasaki Z400. Power of the green. My bike, Triumph Bonneville T100. I love it. We got ourselves a Scrambler 1200. And a Speed Twin 900. Love that paint on the tank. Look at that, looks great. And then we have these two bikes which look amazing. I love them. Here we go. You ready? We got sidecars. First up, we got the Indian. That seat, matching saddlebags, and then the sidecar with the matching paint. That thing is beautiful. Look at it. And the same thing with this Triumph over here, Triumph Bonneville T120 with its own sidecar, matching paint as well. That is fantastic. Love it. And we had this one just pull up. Tons of beautiful bikes today. I'm like really excited for the ride today. Looking forward to it. It'll be about a 26-mile ride. We're gonna do a loop around downtown. Should be a lot of fun. everyone's had a chance to cool off, relax a little bit. Everybody is over there conversing, having a good time, sharing their experiences along for the ride, checking out all the bikes here at Frontline in Salem. It's a good day. Sun is shining and it's great. So some of us are gonna head out, get some tacos, have a drink, and enjoy the rest of this sunshine. So thanks for joining me on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2026 out here in Salem, Virginia. See you next time.